Hello guys, it's the Coily Girl, and today I'm going to show you guys a hairstyle. A lot of times when we do hairstyles as a black woman, we usually do hairstyles like on stretch hair, straighten hair, like extensions, anything that's really not our hair. People do some hairstyles on natural hair, don't get me wrong. I follow so many girls who are really experimenting with our coily hair, which is amazing, but I want to participate too, and I want to start showing some hairstyles that we can do when our hair's like this. So that's what I'm gonna do. The first video today is a requested hairstyle, so I'm really excited. If you have requested hairstyles as well, please put it in the comments because I will answer. So this hairstyle that I'm doing is this one over there. I haven't done it in a while, so hopefully I'm gonna be able to give a tutorial, but I feel like it's pretty simple. It's a bun where we take out the sides. So I am going to pull out this picture over here so it could be as accurate as possible, and hopefully we're gonna make this cute hairstyle happen. So I just pulled it out so I can see it. So first I can see that I took out the sections of my hair. So when you're doing a side part thing, you really have to take just the front section so that it's just gonna hide everything anyway. If you have shorter hair, you might have to take the whole piece, but this is how I do it. I take a very long squared piece from here, and then this is going to be my front section, and I do the same thing for this side. So I'm just gonna hold it with a clip or something so that it stays in place, and then I repeat this over here. It's not gonna be completely identical as you can see, but I just check if it's gonna do that, and then I twist it. Okay. Now what we're gonna need is a hair tie. I usually use scrunchies, but what I recommend is using a hair tie, scrunchie, or anything you're using to tie your hair that matches your hair color. So I usually opt for black scrunchies, but honestly you can deal with any color. I just like how you can't really see the scrunchie and the hair tie. I usually opt for very loose ones if they're not scrunchies versus these ones, because I don't know if you can tell the difference. This is softer, easier to mold, whereas this, it's so harsh, and taking these out, I feel like they are pretty painful and hard to get out. So I usually get these ones. You can get this at Marshall's, Winners, or any hair shop, I'm pretty sure, in a big pack. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to tie my hair. As you can see, I'm lifting it upwards. So I'm making sure that all of my hair is going up. And now what I'm gonna do, I know when I'm holding it, it looks really tight, but it's just to make sure that everything is in here before I tie it. I usually go and tie it twice. Okay. Make sure that all the hairs are inside, and then I just leave it there. Now, what it looks like I did is that I was folding the style so the hair kind of falls. Also looks like I left a couple pieces flowing, but the majority of the hair is still kind of tucked in. So I'm gonna make sure that it's a little tucked in the back like this. Now for the front pieces, I just laid it here, and it looks like I used pins. It's starting to turn out well. I feel like it doesn't look exactly like the hairstyle, I try to go back on my TikTok page to see if I did give a tutorial, but guess not. And I'm gonna take some strands, put it to the side. And use pins. Now, I'm gonna leave a couple pieces, but the rest I'm going to tuck in the bun. And then I'm gonna repeat for this side. So obviously take this, takes a good piece that looks defined. Put a pin. Okay, this one is not that defined, and also it doesn't have to be a curl or a coil that is that defined. I just prefer it that way if it's like a strand that I'm leaving out. And then as you can see again, I'm tucking the hair into the bun. And then again, take out some strands. And I think this is what I did. So again, I'm going to show you guys the clip. I feel like it kind of looks similar. I tried my best. I'm going to show you guys the back. So this is how the back looks like. I mean the sides. And then the back, obviously. But this is the hairstyle. Hopefully you guys thought it was pretty similar, and hopefully the person who requested this video found it helpful. I feel like it looks good. I think I'm gonna end up going out like this. It does look nice. You also have to keep in mind, I did that hairstyle 3 months ago, so my hair definitely grew till then. It was kind of easy to plug it to the side when my hair was like a little bit shorter, but obviously the more your hair grows when you do hairstyles, the more long it's gonna look. So this is the result. Again, hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, like and subscribe. And again, let me know if there's any hairstyles that you guys want me to try. I definitely have some hairstyles that I'm really excited to try with you guys. Whether it's me coloring my hair, not my real hair. It's probably going to be coily extensions. But doing that and just like experimenting during the summer, because I feel like it's the perfect time. No school. Just do anything with your hair at this point. You know what I mean? Like people say it's winter, but we're in school in winter. And also because I'm in university, so I feel like sometimes I have to look professional. This is definitely a good hairstyle for the summer, school, anywhere. Love it.